Hi, in today's video, we'll talk about how to get a VA mortgage loan by discussing the eligibility requirements. Stay tuned until the end to get all the details. VA loans are designed to support eligible military members, veterans, and their spouses in purchasing homes. To be eligible for a VA home loan, you must meet the following criteria. First, you need to be a military service member on active duty or a veteran with an honorable discharge who has satisfied the minimum service requirements. During wartime, this means you must have served actively for at least 90 continuous days. Additionally, you must demonstrate a sustainable income and maintain a debt-to-income DTI ratio of less than 41%. One crucial document you need is the Certificate of Eligibility Co. This certificate proves to an approved lender that you meet all the initial VA loan requirements. If your service was during peacetime, you need to have served actively for a minimum of 181 days. You are also eligible if you are the surviving spouse of a military service member who died in the line of duty or due to a service-connected disability, provided you have not remarried. Additionally, you qualify if you have actively served more than 6 years with either the Reserves or the National Guard. So there you have it. These are the necessary eligibility guidelines for obtaining a VA mortgage loan. Thanks for watching, and until next time.